Hello and welcome to OdinSchool. Just like there are a universal set of principles by which the world works, best characterized by physics, there are a universal set of mistakes that amateur data scientists make time and time again, best characterized by this video. So, without further ado, let's get started. Theory. It is easy to get stuck in theory all day long and for weeks together. But it is important to realize that this is a passive form of learning. Besides, it's not like you can put the books that you've read and the tutorials that you've gone through on your resume. So, avoid the theory trap. Take up some mini projects and put what you have learned into practical use. That way, all your knowledge, all the concepts that you've read will be connected in a meaningful way. Moving on to the next point. Yes, I did say theory can be overdone, but that is not an excuse for you to skip past the prerequisites. Certainly not if you want to become a competent data scientist. Do the math. Ensure that you have a clear understanding of everything ranging from probability and statistics to linear algebra and matrix theory. Now, depending on who you are, this can be easy and intuitive, or it can be overwhelming. That's okay. But it is important that you have a deep understanding of these mathematical concepts going forward, because this will help you assess data models, optimize algorithms, and improve the accuracy of your data models. Which brings me to my next point. There is a terrible misconception that creeps in during the early stages of learning data science, that is, conflating accuracy with the predictive power of the model. What happens is that in the desire to improve the accuracy of your model, you tweak around with the variables by trial and error until the accuracy is met. But this is the wrong way to go about improving the performance of your model. Instead of playing around with the model until it works, look at the data first. Understand the role that each variable plays, and look at other data sets in the domain. Speaking of data sets, participating in data science competitions and going through your courseware can lend you to think that data science is all about analyzing the data and modeling it accurately. But there is a step before these two that is often ignored. Data cleaning. Yes, pick up the skills to clean data early on, because really, half the battle of real-life data science problems is tackling your data, assimilating it, and cleaning it. So get used to it. You're in this for the long haul. Now, this is a mistake that a lot of beginners catch from the experts. Experts can tend to go about plugging and playing algorithms because they have a sufficient amount of understanding of the domain, and they can kind of guess what algorithm will work, and if it doesn't, that gives them new information. But as a beginner, you do not have that domain knowledge, and you will often fall into the trap of trying to find the best algorithm that will fit a model. This is a bad habit. What you want to instead do is cultivate the attitude to analyze the data sets. It is important to make the first step of your data science problem-solving process data exploration and data visualization, because there is only so much that you can do in optimizing a model without understanding your underlying data. So don't fall for this trap. Now that you know the most common pitfalls that rookie data scientists make, do the not so common thing of avoiding them. Check out our Instagram, follow us there, subscribe to us here if you like our content. Also, check out www.odinschool.com. We have come up with 2 excellent programs that last 6 months, and these are on the lines of full stack development and data science. So if you're looking at a career in either of these 2 lines, then do check us out, because at the end of this extremely rigorous program, we guarantee you a job. So stay skilled and stay ahead. See you later.